What's going on? It's the season finale of Quick Tin Cooking. We're blessed to be here.
We're back.
Tesco
It's
Metro.
episode number 7.
Shout out.
And the camera walked out of my face.
No. Get this loser out of the camera, because today it's a cook-off between Anik, the master chef, and myself.
And then the idiot chef.
30 minutes of cooking, 5 minutes of shopping, 10 minutes of a budget.
10 minutes of a budget? 10 pounds of a budget?
Oh, shit.
You even speak English?
I don't,
you
I'm
want
German.
to Brexit?
Alright, let's get in the supermarket, let's get shopping, let's go. Okay, inside Tesco now. Clock is ticking, let's go friend, let's go. I have absolutely no idea what I'm taking. I don't know what I'm doing.
I mean either.
Have you seen tomatoes?
I think they're over, yeah, they're over here. This is complicated actually. He knows what he's doing.
How many tomatoes do you need?
Tomatoes,
Right,
peppers.
Go.
Cool. Those are like quite a big time, like a busy time, not big time. Onions. Do you know what you're doing?
$2.50 chicken breast.
What are you looking for?
Pasta.
Oh, pasta. It should be over here.
Should be here. The chocolate, sweet syrup.
I think it's right at the end. Right at the end.
I have no idea where I'm going.
Right at the end. Pasta.
Yeah. Alright.
You got all that you need?
Spices. Where are spices? Have you seen spices?
I think spices we probably have it at home, right? Or you need everything.
Need some extra spices, but I don't know where they are. We have everything otherwise.
Probably there. Probably over there.
We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
But it's quite a lot. Like you realize that 5 minutes is quite a lot.
Here, get a tomato puree.
Guys, this is an amazing workout, by the way.
I know, right? Spices.
Ooh,
What are you
Anik is
doing?
back.
No, I'm still in time.
Still on time.
Chili powder here. We just need some mixed herbs wherever they are.
Italian.
You got mixed herbs?
Italian herbs.
We got mixed herbs. We've got them already.
Got the herbs.
That's
The competition.
We've got everything. Actually, we have some time left. 1 minute left here on the clock. Okay. Let's see if we can find the dessert.
Pasta. I mean, I'm Italian, so it's a good way to get.
Turn around. Okay, here, move.
Do I have to? Anik, you're always in the way. What are you after?
Pancakes.
Oh yeah, pancakes.
And we have Nutella. Actually, no. We're gonna have here 32p reduced pancakes. Winning.
Winning. Are you actually within the £10?
That's it. Stop the timer. We're done. Check out. Off to Anik.
Alright, so Brendan's done his run. I'm trying to find in my phone where's the timer.
Right, technology.
10 minutes, right? 10 or 5? Was it 5? Alright, 5.
Cheating.
5 minutes going now.
5 minutes, let's go.
I'm not running like Brendan, I know my game plan.
Yeah, I think you've got the advantage of knowing this Tesco. He does know this Tesco. No, not that
Cheater.
I don't know it that well.
What have you got there?
Avocado, we're ripe and ready. They're not ripe. They're ready. Okay, we use this. An onion. We're good.
You got some onions?
Alright, we're good.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Can you do it? What are you getting?
Wraps.
Okay, so wraps, avocado, onions. What else?
See, that's the problem. I don't know this Tesco well enough. Bolognese.
Bolognese?
No, not bolognese. I need tomato, canned tomato.
Fran, what just happened?
So basically they told us not to film.
But we're rebel.
We're rebels. Hashtag rebels. Hashtag do what you shouldn't do.
Anik, you get a bit of extra time here because...
There's some lime. Where's the lime? Do you remember? Smell your lime before you take it. Done. Let's go.
That's all?
I still got. Okay, I haven't. My 5 minutes still hasn't finished yet.
Alright.
I still get a minute more.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check out. We got told not to film. But we're rebel. Probably might get arrested. Casual.
Quick tin.
Quite casual here. Anik's there.
Anik.
Look at him.
How much do you
He
think
tried
Brendan
to cheat.
spent?
He tried to cheat again. Yeah, I think he spent £6.50.
I think you're on the edge of 7.
I'm on probably 9. I'm gonna guess 9. It's a good one. Alright. See how he does. 56, we're on 5. See, that's where the discount comes in here. Nice 36p. I was 115, edging on it. Here we go. 738. What's this? How much is this? Please tell
He's
me.
lying. No, he's not lying.
Oh, 813. Oh no.
Is that too much?
Yeah.
Okay, we can allow a little bit.
Okay, we're done. We're shopped now. How much you spend?
£7.31.
I'm on
How much did you
£11.68.
Sorry, I didn't hear it. Say louder.
11.68.
No, I didn't hear it.
Okay, he won. First part of the challenge goes to Anik. I'm £1.68 over, but I got a dessert. It's gonna make up for it. We're now gonna head home.
And we're gonna cook.
And we're gonna cook.
And
we'll
we're gonna
catch
win
you
this.
inside, and I'm gonna win this. Let's
How
go.
about that?
I'm gonna win this. Do you want to lose? Do you want to lose? Do you want to lose? Do you want to lose?
okay,
Do
you
you want to
already
lose? Do you want to
already
lose?
lost the
Oh,
first
do you want to
one.
pitch a bike? Because you
No.
know you're riding towards failure.
Where do you
Right,
get these jokes?
that's
Your
right.
mamajokes.co.gr or something?
No, your mamajokes.com.Russia.
Ah,
Hi, that's good.
that's what.
Ah! What do you want? No! What? You want? Ah! 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 We're now in my
Then
mansion.
you dropped something down there.
Wait, what?
You dropped a thing down there.
What did I do?
You dropped something. You dropped something.
You walk back! You walk! Mate, gonna kill this guy. Mate, you're just gonna lose. You're gonna lose so
Can't
badly.
even walk.
Okay guys, so we're now back in the kitchen. The challenge begins. But before, let's show you the ingredients of the light side against the dark. The winning against the losing. The Jedi against the Sith.
Luke, I am your father.
I did legally change my name though, because I don't want to be associated with this scum. Tuh. Pathetic. Okay, I'm gonna run you through the winning ingredients right away. We got some tomatoes. We got nice, big, juicy tomatoes. Few onions and a few, you know, paprika, pepper, beautiful. Now, the star of the show here. 3 chicken breasts, halal. That's what we're about, East London. And of course, if we haven't already guessed it, we're making spaghetti, mom spaghetti, M&M. Shout out. You know, they say a guy is just as good as his spaghettis are. So today, I'm gonna show you just what I'm about. Where you go, Mr. Bangladesh?
I've got beef mince. Forget about that chicken breast and that. Mince. Mince wins. It even
wish.
rhymes.
You wish, you wish.
Then we've got tomato. Then we've got avocado. The most hipster meal ever.
Ripe and ready.
Ripe and ready. We've got kidney beans. We've got some canned tomatoes as well.
Canned food, cheap.
We got lime. We got cipolla, which means onion in Italian.
No, it
You know
doesn't.
what I mean?
You know what I mean?
And we've got
Family's
wraps.
multicultural.
So now you can tell what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna beat Brendan in his home turf
By making what?
by making burritos.
Pablo Escobar.
Hey.
Okay.
Ding, ding,
We both
ding,
got
ding.
our ingredients. Anik, with his 1,300 spices that he got.
Hey, but you're gonna begin to share it.
Alright, on that note, let the fight begin.
Begin.
Whatcha?
What a cooker.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so the time has started. Brendan is on the verge of losing again. First thing I'm gonna do is chop my onions. And try not to cry. Oh,
I'm doing the same.
gold.
Okay, so pro tip, get a bit of salt in the water. When you're cooking the noodles, just stop them from getting all sticky, which you really don't want.
Right, so you don't get the pan too hot, get the pan minimum hot. Like medium small.
Look how juicy this tomato is.
This time he's eating his own food for a change. See, I care. Even if it's a competition, I care. You don't understand.
But you were working in the kitchen, weren't you, one time?
Well, I was working in the kitchen with my dad. And then I started cooking at home because I used to miss home and budgeting again because you want to save money. You don't want to, you know. So I missed home and I wanted to eat good food and I started cooking and then now I can cook again.
So when it comes to the chicken, it's quite easy. Get the breast, lie it down, cut this in half.
We call it a butterfly radio.
Doesn't matter how you cut things in
You got it in reality.
It's gonna taste just the same.
Whoa!
Is it burning?
It fell down.
Almost had an incident here.
As you put cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, it's all out. It's not, when it comes about challenge, it's about winning. We're here to win. You put some mixed herbs. So I got the beans and the tomato going on that one. It's going to cook for the next 20 minutes.
Oh shit!
20 minutes.
Oh shit!
It's on fire? It's on fire? It's on fire. You have burned it. Do you have fire smoke? Yeah.
Yes, we do. Okay, quick stop. We burnt the protection.
Alright, that's it. It's out of this.
I did say that.
Put some water on it, I think.
Because I'm cool, blah, 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 blah. Wait, let me put some.
We're not making barbecue tonight. But, yeah. People are dying.
Oh my god. I told you it's gonna burn.
I told you. I told you.
I told him yesterday it's gonna burn. So, with that being said, we burned half of the kitchen down almost. Smelling it and suddenly I was like, oh shoot, it's actually burned it. A great idea to put cardboard next to 4 hot plates.
Oh my god.
Okay, we've got 15 minutes left.
Oh, time check. 15 minutes, yeah?
15 minutes, time check.
Oh my god, these avocados are not right. Oh man. Then your water is gonna burn.
And what is gonna burn?
So, Annie, what are you doing?
I am struggling with avocado, that's what it is.
Now, I think you should be a bit more proactive and explain you what he's doing.
So my tomato sauce is cooking there, somewhere, with beans, and mince is cooking as well, while I'm fighting with avocado and not winning, which I don't like.
You don't want to get the chicken too crispy, so now we start by dropping the tomatoes in.
Maybe you didn't get the right one.
No, I got the right one. It says here.
Right and ready, people. Right and ready.
Yeah.
Neither right nor ready.
Nope.
Now that the food is slowly starting to boil, that's when it can really take and absorb flavor. So you want to put some salt, you put some pepper on it. Now, the secret to my pasta sauce is actually having tomato puree.
And so while Brendan was getting ready with his pasta, I just got my mince to be a little more mince here. You cook it, you put some more paprika, smoked paprika, cumin, some cayenne.
This is a bit of an experiment that I haven't done before. You add a bit of flour.
What the hell are you doing? Are you baking in this as well? And then right after that, add some sugar and some baking butter. Put it in the oven. 45 minutes. You can have a nice cake. Alright, how long is left?
Time check.
Time check 5 minutes.
Oh.
And in the spirit of camaraderie, I made pasta for a whole village. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing the best food in the world. That one.
So yeah, we've got a vegetarian judge amongst us, so I take that in consideration. Not like some people who consider their choice the most. So I hope our judge can understand my point of view. If she doesn't, she's sleeping in the couch.
You are all just jealous at this pasta.
My food's already ready. Oh, we got 1 minute, Brendan. 1 minute.
Plating. Don't fold.
What do you need? Dry?
Yeah.
Dry.
That's a kilo cover, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen.
I know what to get you for Christmas.
Time's up!
Thumbs up! Hands up!
Alright,
Okay.
here we go. Let's see what we made. Got some beautiful pasta. Fresh, real artisan pasta. Not really. We got good chicken, 2 types of tomatoes. We also have tomato puree and this stuff right here. We have some peppers, onions, garlic, a bunch of herbs, salt, pepper, mixed herbs put together with a bit of soy sauce, a bit of sesame oil.
Move out of the way, enough. Alright,
Explain
look
my
at this.
food.
Look at this. The beauty, even it presented. You even see that line.
Mate, your avocados are hard as hell.
Sometimes, kids, let me tell you a story, kids. Sometimes when you're about to lose, you have to improvise. And when you improvise, things are gonna look bad.
That's right.
And when things are gonna look bad, the only thing that you can say is,
Screw it, let's do it.
mine is better.
Alright, so we've both done our food. Now Fran is going to be our judge. We're going to flip the setup around, face it on her, do a taste test, and see who's the winner. Obviously this pasta.
Definitely not.
Alright, let's see who wins.
Pasta with pepper, no, man. No, mama.
You wish,
mia, no.
you wish.
No, no,
you
hey,
wish.
yo.
Alright, let's see.
Yo, burrito.
Okay guys,
We're
so
back.
now this is Francesca, star of the show.
It's cooking it.
So here's the big reveal. We have my beautiful creation. This is now vegetarian without the chicken for her. She is
Thank you.
pescatarian hipster.
And then we've got also the veggie option of the burrito.
Beautiful.
apparently. Presentation first. I mean,
Presentation.
they both really look cool. The fact,
Mine is exclusive, by the way.
His looks more exclusive.
I mean, yeah, well, maybe just slightly.
Slightly.
I do.
Flip a coin. Alright, she can't flip
Ah,
it.
okay.
To save her life. So we have head,
10 pence. Ah, okay.
head and tail.
Yeah.
So what do you choose? Head?
Flip it
Tail.
But why does she have to choose?
Ah, tail.
And what does the tail mean?
No.
Are you guys serious? Like,
Oh my god.
Tail.
So-
Okay, so I'm
Me.
trying this. Okay, I'm gonna say that you were really brave because you chose spaghetti for an Italian. So I mean, but I'm gonna consider this an East London show. So
It's gonna be so
there's police
let's-
on the other side.
the fire in the booth.
so I'm gonna just do like an Italian mood,
But
right?
a little bit inside to the pasta, Brendan burnt it.
Burn the pasta and the
Who
water.
burned the pasta? I don't know. Raw is-
No, I have to say I thought it was gonna be more cooked. It's okay. It's actually okay. I really like the sauce.
Ooh. No
Maybe-
ketchup, just sauce.
You were saying it had
No,
too
sauce.
much. You said it had too much salt, but
Yeah, but then I took it out. I neutralized the salt.
I think there is not enough salt.
There's not enough salt.
Man, I think
Okay,
there's not
okay,
enough salt.
that's a point taken off.
No, never after the pasta. But overall,
Okay.
it's really juicy, and
That's what I'm
the
about.
pasta is good. I would say maybe a little bit more salt. Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit more salt. Yeah.
Now,
I think you can smell also a little bit of burnt spaghetti.
I'm having a solid down.
Try, but there is chicken that I cannot try, so he's gonna try it first.
Okay.
Then I've got the burrito that obviously without the meat probably is not a burrito, but whatever. Thank you
It's a veggie burrito.
for the veggie. Yeah.
Go on.
And
hold
I'm
it.
gonna
Okay.
just. It's falling
We'll
apart,
hold it.
but
We'll do
whatever.
We'll do the teamwork. Yep. And the first thing she's gonna say is spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
Okay, the avocado is definitely like.
That's the point though.
Stone.
That's the point.
Ah, it's not my fault.
You should have picked the ripe
No,
avocado.
it's
They were.
Tesco.
A
Yeah.
bocadoo.
I have to say it is spicy, but not too much. I like that because I don't like spicy food. So I would say the warmth of the wrap is perfect. The beans are good. But again, I think, guys, where did you put this? Oh, I think this is too salty. I mean, let me try again. I'm not too
I
sure.
see too much salt. Salt furthers fat retention.
Yeah.
And so
And it's falling apart. Like, guys,
You
can.
don't know how to eat it.
No, this is falling apart.
maybe how's your wrapping, mate? Are you Slim Shady already?
I mean, it's a shame for the avocado because it really does.
It's not. That's the thing. It's said on
But
the
overall, the sauce. Oh my god, guys.
You got it on your chin. Right down here.
Okay, I'm not a good judge, but whatever. So yeah, it's like the overall good sauce.
No
Yeah.
ketchup.
No ketchup, just sauce. Presentation, I would. Okay, if I have to say, do I do an
Yeah,
overall?
you need to do overall.
So overall-
Shopping, presentation, price.
Okay, shopping. We're gonna remove a point for Brandon because he went £2 over. Like,
Mine's falling.
so one is for Anik. Then I would have to say overall creativity and like overall. I overlooked the cooking. I think Brandon wins over that because
Put
it was
flour
looking.
in my
It was looking.
pasta.
How? How? You
It
put
was-
flour.
I saved the kitchen from burning down in the cardboard.
That's
Okay.
true, and also it was looking really,
That was barbecue
really
spaghetti.
rich. It was really. It was looking rich and like you know. I mean, even though we cut the chicken. I mean, great. I am terrible at cooking, but yeah.
We got the wrong judge here, ladies and
I think
gentlemen.
overall, like authenticity to the like plate. Can you say that? Like.
No, what do you mean?
Like
I-
originality.
Yeah, no, like I mean the burrito from Mexico and the spaghetti from Italy. That's what I meant. Authenticity, I'll give a point to Anik. Yeah.
I did European, pan-European pasta.
Yeah.
That's dodgy
Yeah.
pasta. That's very bad. That pasta is not winning, sorry.
Then what else? Creativity?
In the bin, please.
Is it creativity that we didn't do? Yeah, creativity. I think Brandon put it, I mean, like, come on, avocado, beans.
This is gonna be a draw.
Creativity. I would say the last beat, what can I...
Taste.
Taste.
Ooh.
That was-
Drum roll, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh!
You need to dab.
No, but okay, guys, I can...
Hey!
I cannot vote. I'm gonna go.
No,
through.
you need to vote.
It's
One of
gonna be.
us.
It's gonna be.
No, it tastes better. It doesn't matter. We don't have feelings.
Okay, well, I'll try a little bit more now.
Oh my god.
We are real men.
I am hungry now.
Yeah, bear hungry, fam.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to the chef. I'm
Hey.
gonna taste the chef.
Yes.
Otherwise, I have to sleep on the
You
couch
won. Well
tonight.
done.
Well
That's
done.
it.
Alright. That was a good chat. That was
I'm
fun.
the winner. Loser.
Okay, guys.
Okay, now for the final bit, we're gonna taste each other's food.
Yeah.
go. Let's go.
Goodbye.
No, where you going?
You don't have to go.
No, you need to stay.
Oh. I am terrible at this.
We don't have forks. so
No,
we-
take this. Take this. No.
He has to
Oh.
do that. Right.
I'm eating off the pan.
Yeah. I mean, it's just because of that burn.
Very Mexican sauce. It's good.
How about the meat? Because I couldn't taste the meat.
Oh, I just got some of that avocado.
It's terrible, the avocado. It's avocado stone.
Where's that packet?
Oh well. Yeah, it does say avocado ripe, yeah.
Tesco, what the
but
hell
it
is
does,
this?
It does break everything apart.
I don't know if you can see it, but Tesco, what is this?
Ripe and ready.
Why is this? This is not ripe, this is not ready.
Now overall, Anik's meal is very solid. Bit of hot sauce, a bit of sriracha.
Okay, but-
Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Yeah, maybe. But it's, yeah.
On that note,
Ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. One whole season.
we've done a whole 7
Guys.
episodes of Quick Tin
Well
Cooking.
done. Well done for
That's right.
coping with this.
So
too.
what's happening next season? Well, we're doing our own channel, starting fresh.
I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry.
More episodes. We're gonna do a bit of
avocado.
food challenges, spicy, durian, all that stuff. Eating out, shopping, you know. It's gonna.
Are you gonna travel, guys?
Definitely, yes.
Yeah.
We're going to Paris.
Yeah. Ed. Woohoo! We're coming.
And just before we shot this last bit, we got invitation to Spain and Germany.
Yep.
It's true, we did.
By my family.
So
Shout out, family.
Shout out to Brenda's mom, who's amazing.
we're gonna go to
Much
your
love.
granny
Oh yeah. She's gonna love
and to
you.
your mommy. Oh, I can't wait. And maybe I'm gonna cook as well at some point.
Lord have mercy.
Let the man cook. Hashtag let the man cooking.
Let the man cook. Some new song, right?
On the pen.
Alright, on that great note, this is time to wrap up. Let the sad music begin.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
Hanukkah.
Hug your mom.
Can
from
we
us.
sing Last
And we'll
Christmas
see-
all together?
and we'll see you
No, not
tomorrow.
Last Christmas. Like
Oh, yeah.
what? White.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and for the very last time, we'll see you later.